Guess what? I want to give you the tip today. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire family where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. If you're new to my channel, I just want to update you guys real quick. Usually I make these daily motivational, inspirational videos just to get you guys updated in terms of being positive, in terms of being, self-conscious about your self-being. But without further ado, guys, let's get it going with today's tip of today. I want you to keep this in mind, right? By the end of the day, the world doesn't revolve around temporary people, so you have to focus on yourself. You're gonna meet people that's here for a lifetime, and then you're gonna meet people that's here for a short time. Your main focus in life is to find peace. Now, if you can't find peace within yourself, you won't find peace with anybody else. Okay? So discover your truth, discover your purpose. Everybody around you could be temporary, but remember, you're permanent. You're always gonna be here for yourself, and try to be there for yourself, even if you have nobody else around you, because that's gonna determine your character. That's gonna determine how strong you are as a person. If you can do it alone, you can do everything. You don't need anybody. You just need yourself. You need your confidence. You need your skill. You need your talent. You need your self-worth. You need to understand your value. Well, alright guys, that concludes the tip of today's video. I hope this helped you guys out in terms of focus on yourself, putting yourself first, make yourself a priority. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go.